Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is math olympiad questions. So let's start. There are two questions in this video. The first question is, a farmer has chickens and cows on his farm. He counted 24 heads in total and 74 legs. How many chickens does the farmer have? Read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find it how many chickens does the farmer have. Let's see how to solve this problem. Let's assume x equals to number of chickens, y equals to number of cows. So x plus y equals to 24. This is equation 1. 2x plus 4y equals to 74. This is equation 2. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So 2x plus 2y equals to 48. This is equation 3. Subtract equation 3 from equation 2. 2x plus 4y minus 2x minus 2y equals to 74 minus 48. 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. 4y minus 2y equals to 2y equals to 26. Y equals to 26 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 13 ja 26. Y equals to 13. So x plus 13 equals to 24. X equals to 24 minus 13 is 11. The farmer has 11 chickens and 13 cows. Want to see the solution from start to finish? Watch the full video again to understand how I solve this math problem. The second question is, two trains are 150 miles apart and traveling towards each other. One train travels at 60 meter per hour and the other at 90 meter per hour. How long will take for them to meet? So what we have to find it, how long will take for them to meet. Let's see how to solve this problem. Distance between the two trains equals to 150 miles. Convert distance to meters. 150 miles multiplied by 1609.34 meters per mile equals to 2,41,401 meters approximately. Speed of the first train equals to 60 miles per hour. Convert speed to meters per second. 60 miles per hour multiplied by 1609.34 meters per mile divided by 3600 seconds per hour equals to 26.822 meter per second. Speed of the second train. In the question they given that 90 miles per hour. Convert speed to meter per second. 90 miles per hour multiplied by 1609.34 meter per mile divided by 3600 seconds per hour equals to 40.2336 meter per second. Relative speed equals to speed of the first train plus speed of the second train. We know both values, 26.8224 meters per second plus 40.2336 meters per second. 67.056 meter per second approximately. Next, we have to find the time. Time taken for the trains to meet. That is the question they asked. Time equals to distance by relative speed. 2,41,401 meters divided by 67.056 meter per second. So, we will get 3600 seconds. Convert time to hours. Time equals to 1 hour. Per 1 hour, we will get 3600 seconds. So, it will take approximately 1 hour for the two trains to meet. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos.